hi guys and welcome to our today's video in which we are gonna do unit number 4. हाँ, हमने unit number 3 पहले से complete कर लिया है. If you haven't watched the videos you can go to our channel and watch those previous videos. Unit 4 section 1 which is 3 days to see. So basically ना ये जो आपका unit है किसके बारे में? It is अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स कि जो भी डिसएडवांटेज जो भी ब्लाइंड वगैरह डेफ वगैरह हैं उनके बारे में. Okay, here is a text. So our first lesson is 3 days to see. Here is a text written by Helen Keller herself. Express some of the unfilled desires. Can you guess what they might be? Read on and find out. कि इस लेसन में क्या है, कुछ अनफिल्ड डिज़ायर्स हैं जो उसने पूरे अभी नहीं किए हैं एंड वो उन्हें पूरा करना चाहती है. एंड उन चीज़ों के लिए आंखें लगती हैं, बट जो हेलन केलर थी ना वो ब्लाइंड थी, इसलिए वो देख नहीं सकती थी. हेलन केलर ब्लाइंड थी. I often thought it would be a blessing if each human being were stricken blind. Stricken blind मतलब हर human being अगर blind होता. So and deaf for a few days कि अगर हर human being blind and deaf हो जाता कि ना उसको दिखता ना उसको सुनता तो darkness would make him more appreciative of sight. कि darkness उसको और भी ज़्यादा appreciative बना देती एंड उसको मतलब sound जो सिर्फ आवाज़ों से कैसे मतलब हम लोग खुशी ले सकते हैं उसके बारे में इंसान ज़्यादा जान पाता. who cannot find hundreds of things to me interest me though my touch. I feel the delicate symmetry of a leaf कि जो symmetry होती है एक leaf में, I feel that and I pass my hands lovingly smooth skin of a silver birch or the rough shaggy bark of pine that I like wave my hand to the bark of the pine tree and smooth skin of the silver birch. And in spring I touch the branches of trees hopefully in search for a bud. That bud मतलब bud जिससे आगे जाके फूल खिलता है. Okay. For first sign of awakening nature after her winter sleep that the trees have taken her winter sleep and now it is the spring time. Okay, now trees are gonna awake and spring more flowers. Occasionally, I am very fortunate. I place my hand gently on a small tree and I feel happy quiver. What is the meaning of quiver? Vibration. That I feel the vibration of a bird in full song that the bird is singing. At times, my heart cries out with a longing to see all these things. If I cannot get so much pleasure from my mere touch, how much more beauty can be revealed by sight? That those who cannot see, those who cannot hear can get so much joy by just touching thing, then how much joy can we get? Okay, I should most like to see if I were given the use of my eyes say for just 3 days that I can just if get the power of sight for just 3 days, what things I will do, that we will discuss in our lesson. I should divide the period in 3 parts. On the first day, I should want to see the people whose kindness and compassionship have made my life worth living. I did not know what it is to see into the heart of a friend, that window of soul, the eye. That how beautiful it would be to see the real faces of people, because till now I have only touched and feel the emotions. I can detect laughter, sorrow and many other obvious emotions by just touching. I know my friends from the feel of their faces. I can just touch the faces and feel that what they are feeling. The next day I should arise with the dawn and see the thrilling miracle by which night is transformed. Transformed का मतलब है completely changed, from which night is completely changed into a day. I should behold with awe the magnificent panorama. What is the meaning of panorama? Panorama का मतलब है वंडरफुल व्यू और साइट. जब सूरज उगता है तो बहुत वंडरफुल व्यू आता है, उसका बोलती है कि मुझे वो देखना है. ऑफ लाइट विच सच अवेकन्स द स्लीपिंग अर्थ. दैट sun awakens the sleeping earth because at night it is wondered that the earth was sleeping. This day I should devote to a hasty glimpse of the world, past and present. I should want to see the pageant of man's progress and so I should go to the museum. That I want to see that how much has man progressed. That's why I want to go to the museum so that I can take a look at the history. There my eyes would see the condensed history of earth, animals and races of men pictured on their native environment, gigantic Carcasses, what is the meaning of this? Dead bodies of dinosaurs and mastodons. mastodons का मतलब है large elephant like animals now extinct. mammoth जैसे होते हैं ये. They roamed the earth before man appeared with this tiny stature and powerful brain to conquer the animal kingdom. Okay, the following morning I should again greet the dawn. कि मैं फिर से उगता सूरज देखना चाहती हूँ. Anxious to discover new delights. I would discover new delights, new revelations of beauty. What is the meaning of revelation? Revelation का मतलब है new or surprising experience. I want to see new or surprising experiences of beauty, and today, this third day, I shall spend in the work day. What is the meaning of work day? It means a normal ordinary day that I would spend it as an ordinary day. मैं इसको एक आम दिन की तरह क्या कहते हैं उसको, व्यतीत करूँगी. हाँ, amid the haunts मतलब places where people spend a lot of time. मैं वहाँ पे जाऊँगी and learn more about the business life. The city becomes my destination, कि city ही मेरी destination होगी. First I stand at busy corner, मेरे लिए looking at people. busy corner मतलब जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे and मैं वहाँ पे लोगों की तरफ देखता रहूँगा. Something of their daily lives and I will try to understand that what they do in their daily life. मैं smiles देखूँ, I will see the smiles, and then seeing the smiles I will also be happy. And I see serious determination and I am proud. I see suffering and I am compassionate. That I am proud that what is the writer seeing it, she is seeing serious determination of people towards their work, and she is proud that I see suffering and I am compassionate. At midnight permanent night would close in on me again. कि उसने 3 days का मांगा था, 3 days आज ख़त्म हो गए हैं. Naturally in those 3 short days I should not have seen all I wanted to see. Only when dark had again, कि मैंने उतना भी नहीं देखा जितना मैं देखना चाहती थी. Only when darkness had again descended upon my should I realize how much I had left unseen. कि मैंने कितना कुछ छोड़ दिया देखने वाला. So I who am blind can give one hint to those who can see. Use your eyes as if tomorrow you would be stricken blind. That you should use your eyes and imagine that tomorrow you will be stricken blind. Then you will enjoy the real joys of life. And the same method can be applied to your other senses. Hear the music of voice, the song of bird, the admired strains of orchestra, as if you would be deaf tomorrow that nobody knows. You should enjoy the music of voice. You should enjoy the song of a bird, and you should enjoy orchestra, because nobody knows that if tomorrow you are deaf. Yes. Now touch each object as if tomorrow you are tactile. Tactile का मतलब connected with the sense of touch. That even your sense of touch doesn't work. ठीक है. Touch each object as if tomorrow you will lose your sense of touch. Sense would fail. Smell the perfume of flower, taste with relish. Relish का मतलब great enjoyment, because tomorrow it can be possible that you won't even able to smell the flowers or perfume. Each morsel as if tomorrow you could never smell and taste again. Make the most every sense, glory in all facets of pleasure and beauty which the world reveals to you through the several means of contact with nature provides. But all of senses, I am sure the sight must be most delightful. That जब सारी senses हमारे पास होती है, I am sure that the scene would be very delightful. So this is all about the chapter. I'll meet you in the next chapter. Bye bye.